Kayla Lee Bouvet, the DA in Pueblo, Colorado, stated that I was evading getting arrested after a bench warrant after the courts did not properly notify me of a court date. Neither did my attorney, Samantha Bloodworth. However, this is her letter. Your failure to appear in court on November 7, 2016 has resulted in the issuance of a warrant for your arrest. If you wish to resolve this matter before you are arrested, please contact me as soon as possible. I contacted her that very day. If I am not in when you call, leave a message on my voicemail to how I can reach you. Sincerely, Samantha Bloodworth. Wow, I called her that day. She never got back to me. And so by the 11th, I turned myself in. However, Kayla Bouvet, this was filed in the court filing 15 CR 1287. And Kayla Bouvet stated that I was evading. She lied and perjured on the record, and they stated that I needed a higher bond to bond out because I was a risk hazard. Really? I called her that day. I went into the courthouse the very next day, tried to talk to Judge David Crockenberg. In fact, I got it recorded. And I'm even pinged on the cameras. I went in the next day asking for an appeal, asking to talk to the judge to explain that I was not notified. Nobody would return my call. Nobody. In fact, when I was incarcerated, they didn't even take me to my court dates at least a handful of times. Many times. And neither did my attorney even show up at some of the court hearings that I was taken to. And that's a violation of Rule 44 and misrepresentation. And yet then they make me post a bond. Well, that technically is called ransom. Yep. Look under the ransom laws. That's ransom. Because Samantha Bloodworth said she could get this corrected, and she never did. And I got arrested illegally, unlawfully, and against due process, against the criminal statute. Yet they're claiming to everybody that I'm a risk hazard of fleeing. They even told my bonds people this. That's a downright lie, Kayla Bouvet.